Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the trader. It is February 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. What's happening? Tesla is down $47.04. 5.08%. That's a lot. Post-market, we are down 1.72, 874.63. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We had two nice days yesterday. We were still in the congestion zone between 879 and 940. And today we have a big red candle. We broke below 879, our big and very important support. So we still have these double support right here that come from the first channel right here. These are two supports that we have been following for a long time. So we still have them there. We have the 200-day moving average, not too far, but the market is not really going up. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, it basically went down. The first hour of the day was down, and then it just kept going down. Look at stochastic, how deep low it is, 4. So we have not seen it at 4 in a while. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the indicators, we still have MACD crossed over bullish. That's the only indicator on the daily chart that is giving us a kind of a bullish signal. This is pretty incredible what is happening. Let's go for fun. Look at the bond yield. So the bond yield, it's hovering at around 2%. The higher it is and the less enticing the stock market is. The 2-year bond seems to be going down a little bit. The VIX, VIX is representing the volatility in the market. We have a spike up in volatility today. Dow Jones, Dow Jones is coming back. We tried crossing this resistance and now we are caving in for good. We are caving in here. Stochastic below 60. I think we're going down at least to 33,000, if not more. S&P, the same thing. NASDAQ, the same thing. NASDAQ 100, the same thing. Everything is pretty bad. This is a bit disappointing to say the least. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.